Airport. Check-in. Saan tayo pupunta? Nasa tayo?
Sa Dallas.
Dallas na kami. Good morning. Nantok pa ako. Galing work. Dantes, balik na kayong Corpus Christi? Ha?
Ha?
Balik na kayong Corpus Christi? Lapit na tayo dito. Dito kami sa Dallas International Airport. Antok pa ako, grabe. Antok na antok ako. Tulog na tulog ako sa aeroplano. From Sacramento hanggang dito. Bitin pa. So, connecting flight kami. Ang init kaya hinuwag na yung jacket ko. Pero,
Pwede mo parahin mo yun, no? Pwede yun.
Ano yung paparahin yan? Okay mo paparahin? Papakahatid tayo?
What?
Libre? Dantes.
The use of face coverings is now optional during crew member decisions to do so.
Ano naman yung kamay mo?
In the unlikely event of an emergency, an oxygen mask do drop. If you do choose to wear face covering, please make sure to remove the face covering before placing the oxygen mask over your nose and mouth. As a reminder, smoking is prohibited on the aircraft. This does include electronic smoking devices. All electronic smoking devices cannot be plugged into
Baltimore, Maryland.
aircraft outlet. The flight
Washington,
passes
D.C.
down one last time to pick up any that you may wish
Richmond,
to store
Virginia.
and consider final safety.
Dito na kami sa Virginia. It's... Anong oras na? Parang mag-aalas 12 na, diba? Magti-12 AM na. Na-delay kasi yung flight namin kasi marami pang nasa ramp. So, hindi makalipad yung aeroplano kanina. Bakit bawal? Picture ka?
When did the General Assembly start? 1619. So the people who make... Because he designed the outfit. Okay. $25 million.
Or in capital.
Just to have it done. The building in the back where the offices are. Whose armies got captured in Yorktown. There's another important guy out there, but you don't see him too good because he fades in. Danville, Virginia. And Danville, Virginia is right on the Virginia Norfolk into one building. And this is a small capital compared to a lot of capitals. This is small. Who's for in his lifetime? One. Where is it at? Right here. And you say, well, I see this all over the world. There's 30-something copies around the world. I've seen one in London. There's one in Paris. I've seen those. But they're made out of bronze or plaster. This is marble. And marble is very heavy. This is, it's almost like I can see the thumbnail through the glove. I mean, that's how detailed it was. Now, this is something else that fourth graders are supposed to know. Which state has the most presidents? That's easy. Virginia.
Wow. There's a Josh inside. Dito kami sa Capitol, sa Virginia. Dito pala galing ng 8 presidents. Si George Washington. 8 lahat daw na naging presidente dito, di ba? Yan, nakapalibot sila. Yan. Si Thomas Jefferson. Ito lang daw yung nag-iisang statue
Of Liberty.
ni George Washington sa buong mundo. Hindi, merong iba pero ito yung real size niya. Wow! Totoo. May kulang pang botones sa damit niya. Winter na winter. Apa. Church.
Yeah.
And there's the...
So then we can go around the front. Look at, take some pictures of the front of the building.
So this is not the front po.
Yeah.
So this is the front of the Capitol. Wow. Old City Hall. Ganda. No, wala nga eh. Parang ice lang. So guys, ganda naman dito sa Virginia. We feel like we're here in the USA. Char. Siyempre sa USA ako eh. Hi, we're in Virginia. May snow pa dito, natitira. Maliit na lang. Yeah, at least hindi masyadong malamig. Pero syempre ginawin ako. Ang gaganda ng mga bahay dito. Very, like the weather. Ang ganda ng mga daan. Wow! Very nice.
Allopathic medicine. Yeah, so there's 2 medical degrees. It's DO and MD.
In Dr. Phillips' office. Office of Dr. Valmores.
That's the good, right? The scenery, if you are stressed on your job, just looking around in the window.
Yeah.
Oh. Good food.
Hi guys! So, paalis na kami ng Virginia. So sad kasi one day lang kami nag-spend dito. Pero very satisfied naman. Ang dilim na dito. Malamig-lamig. Pero okay lang. Hindi masyadong malamig. Sakto lang. That's it for our day 1. So, papunta na kami sa Washington, D.C. Yeah! For one day then. See ya!